Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your destination for the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Today, we've got a unique and handy tool to talk about: the Compressed Air Duster 100000 RPM Keyboard Cleaner. If you're tired of those old canned air dusters, stay tuned because this might just be your new cleaning companion. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our tech reviews. Let's kick things off by introducing the star of today's show: the Compressed Air Duster with a whopping 100,000 RPM. This little device is designed to revolutionize the way you clean your electronics and more. It offers 3-speed wind modes, making dust disappear with ease. First things first, this air duster is all about versatility. With 3 speed modes, you can adapt to different cleaning needs. Long press the switch for 3 seconds to power it on or off, and a quick press toggles between the wind speeds. It's like having a cleaning genie at your command. But here's the real game changer: it's eco-friendly and rechargeable. Say goodbye to those disposable canned air options. This device can be recharged and used repeatedly, saving you money and reducing waste. Plus, it's energy efficient, making it a win-win for both you and the environment. Ever struggled to clean those dark and hard-to-reach corners? Well, this air duster has you covered with built-in LED lights. Now, you can easily spot and eliminate dust and debris in even the darkest nooks and crannies. No liquid or ice formation to worry about. It's safe for your electronics. Now, let's talk power. This air duster boasts a maximum speed of 100,000 RPM, delivering a powerful airflow that can handle stubborn dust and debris. It's perfect for cleaning electronics, computer cases, keyboards, car interiors, fans, and so much more. Plus, it's energy efficient, ensuring a longer lifespan. Wondering where you can put this air duster to work? Well, it comes with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Need to reach tight corners or places your hand can't? The thin and long nozzle has got you covered. It's not just for electronics. You can use it for inflating things like swimming rings, yoga balls, and air mattresses. It's the ultimate multi-purpose cleaning tool that's also easy to carry wherever you go. No need to worry about replacing batteries here. This air duster features a convenient USB Type-C charging design. Just plug it in when it needs a boost, and you're good to go. And here's a quick tip: avoid charging right after using it. Let it cool down for about 10 minutes if it's been working hard. So there you have it, the Compressed Air Duster 100000 RPM Keyboard Cleaner. A powerful, eco-friendly, and versatile cleaning solution for all your needs. If you have any questions or want to learn more about this product, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and drop your comments below. Remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and innovative gadgets. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next review.